Any drummer or percussionist probably knows the Spanish drummer El Estepario Siberiano. He's one of the most influential drummers on YouTube with more than 5 million subscribers. If you never heard about him, let's see some videos for you to understand what I'm talking about. Wow, let's see one more video. Now you can see what I'm talking about. There is also a video of him playing Cajon on his channel. Let's check it out. So I'm talking about him because Meinl Percussion just released this limited edition Cajon in honor to El Estepario. And I have one here with me in the studio to show you how it looks and of course how it sounds. The Cajon is a Meinl artisan tango line handmade by Pepote in Spain. The Meinl artisan is my favorite line of Cajons, and if you want to know more about it, I have a full video where Pepote shows us how he makes his artisan Cajons. If you didn't watch it yet, just click in the link above. The Cajon is finished in a deep black with El Estepario signature logo on the front plate. It comes with 2 sets of 3 pre-tuned strings, round corners, thumb notches, and especially formulated rubber feet. So now let's see how it sounds. Now I'm going to improvise a little bit with some grooves and fills for you to hear how it sounds in a more musical context. So what do you think? Do you like the sound of this El Estepario signature Cajon? I would love to hear from you your opinions here in the comments below. It's very important to say that it's a limited edition, limited to 500 pieces. So if you like the sound and how it looks and want to purchase this Cajon, I have included all the links in the description below. And if you want to get started and learn how to play this beautiful instrument, the Cajon, you can start now with my free starter crash course. The link is also in the description below. Now, as always, I need a favor from you. Don't forget to hit the like button if you liked the video and also subscribe to the channel if you didn't already. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you next time with another video.